Bioplastia, Natural Alignment Veil. Preparation. Take a small section of hair from the rear middle section of the head. Apply a small amount of the alignment mousse. Wait 15 minutes. Carry out the treatment process up to the styling iron step. At this point, we must check the hair is suitable for straightening. If hair is in optimum condition, proceed with the complete treatment. If hair is not in optimum condition, first, carry out a hair recovery treatment using the BioCare Natura product range. Wash hair with the molecular shampoo. Ensure hair is 50% dry using first a towel, then hair dryer. Shake the product well. Apply the alignment mousse to hair, distributing evenly. Wearing gloves, massage into hair, making sure that each strand is well covered. Melt the contents of one vial, 30 seconds. Can also be warmed in a bowl of warm water to melt the contents. When warming with a dryer, we recommend directing the heat to the bottom of the vial. Apply the product over the mousse to form a thermal veil. On long hair, mix the restructuring vial with 30 ml of water. Leave the product to work for 30 to 60 minutes, depending on the desired level of cauterization. Rinse lightly without removing all of the product. Apply cuticle seal to mid-lengths and any damaged ends. Dry hair with the aid of a brush and hair dryer. Separate the hair into thin and transparent sections. Use a flat iron to seal the cauterization treatment. Apply cuticle seal to mid-lengths and ends. Follow-up care recommended.